Okay, right. Take up the today exercise up, that is 4.4. First bit up. Find the adjoint of each of the following matrices. Right. They are given two questions in the first bit up. The first one is first row 1 2, second row is 3 4 now. Right. What is the adjoint of the given matrix? Okay. Take up again question here. Now let us consider the given matrix as a matrix A. That is, take here 1 2 is first row, 3 4 is the second row now. Right. What is the adjoint for the question number 1 now? We know that the adjoint of A is equals to now, right? In short form, already we know that what is the adjoint of A? Interchange the 1 1 and 2 2 element. Correct? 1 4 interchange mod between, then it becomes what here? 4 1. Right? And change the sign for 1 2 and 2 1 element now. It is a plus 2. Change the sign, it becomes what here? Minus 2. Right? It is a plus 3. Change the sign now. It becomes what here? Minus 3. That is the adjoint of the matrix for the question number 1 now. Right? But the second question is about what here? 3 rows, 3 column. Right? Now again adjoint ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. Already we know that the adjoint meaning the transpose of cofactors of the matrix is said to be what? Adjoint. Correct? First we have to find out the cofactors for all the elements now. Right? See here, take the cofactors are now. Directly take here cofactors are. Okay. Or maybe let us assume that solution. Okay, solution. Take now matrix A is equals to this one only now. Adukna here assume. Right. Next one is what here? Cofactors are. Okay. Take this the cofactors are. Right. How many elements there are? Total 9 elements. Correct? Find out each cofactors now. Right. Take this A11. A11 is positive or negative? Positive. Take this plus now. Delete which row, which column now? First row, first column. First row, first column. Then elements are 3 5 0 1. Next simplify it. 3 1s are 3 minus 0 into 5 0. 3 minus 0 3 now. 3 minus 0 3. Right. Same as it is A12 now. A12 is positive or negative? Negative. Take it is a minus. Right. Delete first row, second column. First row, second column. Then elements are 2 5 minus 2 1 now. Right. This one negative keep as it is into now. 2 1s are 2. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. 2 5s are 10 now. Okay. 10 minus 10 plus 2 12. Which 12 this one the? Minus 12 now. Minus 12. Right. Next A13 now. A13 is positive or negative? Positive. Right. Delete first row, third column. First row, third column. Then the elements are 2 3 minus 2 0 now. Simplify this one. 2 zeros are 0. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. 2 3s are 6. 0 plus 6 6 now. Right. Next one. Take this A21. A21 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete second row, first column. Second row, first column. Then elements are minus 1, 2, 0, 1 is equals to this one minus 1 take as it is here. Minus into plus minus 1 1 1 minus 1. 0 into 2, 0 now. Correct? 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 only. Correct? Minus into minus plus 1 now. Plus 1. Right. Next one, take A22 now. A22. Delete second row, second column. Already we know that A22 is what? Plus now. Correct? Delete second row, second column. Then the elements are 1, 2, minus 2, 1. Right? Simplify this one. 1 1s are 1 minus minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. 1 plus 4 5. Right. A22 is over. Then go forward here. A23 now. A23 is positive or negative? Negative. Better take negative. Delete which row, which column? Second row, third column. Second row, third column. Then elements are 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0. Right? Minus as it is. 1 zeros are 0. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 2 ones are 2. 0 minus 2. Minus 2 actually. Correct? Minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 now. Right? Take up third row cofactors here. A31 now. A31 is positive. Right? A31 is a positive. Delete third row, first column. Third row, first column. Then elements are minus 1, 2, 3, 5 now. Okay. Now simplify here. Minus into plus, minus 1 5 is 5. Minus 3 2 is 6. Minus 6 minus 5. That is minus 11 now. Right. Same as it is. Take it is A32 now. A32 is minus now. That delete third row, second column. Third row, second column. Then elements are 1 2 2 5 now. Okay, is equals to this one minus as it is into 1 into 5 5 minus 2 2s are 4 now. 5 minus 4 1. Which one here? Plus 1 ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಅದು minus 1 now. Right? Next last one is A33 now. A33 is a plus. It is positive. Delete third row, third column. Then elements are 1 minus 1 2 3 is equals to now 3 1 3 is 3. Okay, minus minus plus into minus 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 into minus plus 2 1 2 2 plus 3 5 now. Right? These are said to be here cofactors now. Right? Take up that is adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A is equals to now write down all the cofactor matrix here. Right? A11 cofactor that is a 3. Next one A12 minus 12. A13 6. A21 1. Okay. A22 5. A23 2 now. A31 minus 11. A32 minus 1. Okay. A33 5 now. Right? Now how to take here transpose. ಇದೇನದು cofactor matrix ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ adjoint ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು transpose of cofactors of the matrix correct. Now the transfer the what here cofactor matrix here. Then adjoint of A is equals to now right. Transpose meaning row becomes a column. That minus 3 minus 12 6 is first row. It becomes a first column now. First column. The second row is 1 5 2. It becomes a second column. Third row minus 1 minus 1 minus 11 minus 1 5. It becomes third column here. Third column is minus 1 minus 11 minus 1 and it is a 5. This is the what here adjoint of order 3 rows 3 column matrix. So that is a 2 rows 2 column matrix now. Okay. Right now. Right. Take up next question number 3 here. If matrix A is equals to 2 3 minus 4 6 then verify that A into adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A into A is equals to determinant of A into I. This is what your third question here. Okay. Solution. Take up again here the matrix A is equals to 2 3 minus 4 minus 6 is a matrix A. Right. We have to find out adjoint of A. Take it is adjoint of A is equals to what? In 2 rows 2 column already we know that the short form is interchange the 1 1 and 2 2 elements. That 2 minus 6 interchange it becomes what here? Minus 6 2 now. Right? Then another 1 2 and 2 1 elements apply the change the sign now. That plus 3 becomes minus 3. Right? Next minus 4 becomes plus 4. Right? ಇದು adjoint ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ನಾವು see here what is the first part? A into adjoint of A. Right? See here A into what? A into adjoint of A is equals to take it is A matrix 2 3 minus 4 minus 6 into right into adjoint minus 6 minus 3 4 2 now that is equals to again a into adjoint of a is equals to now right multiply first row first column right now close here second row plus into minus minus data 2 6 are 12 plus into plus 3 4 are 12 first row first column is over now then go for first row second column then plus into minus 2 3 are 6 plus into plus 3 2 are 6 right now the first row operation is over then go forward here second row first column second row second column minus into minus plus 4 6 are 24 minus into plus minus 6 4 are 24 6 4 are 24 now then last one the second row second column minus into plus 4 3 are 12 minus into plus minus 6 2 are 12 now right then a into adjoint of a is equals to then a into adjoint of a is equals to what here 0 matrix minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled minus 6 plus 6 24 minus 24 12 minus 12 all are get cancelled then a into adjoint of a is which matrix here 0 matrix right and the second point they are given adjoint of a into a now correct take again the second part is what here adjoint of a into a now correct ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ a ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು adjoint ಬರೆದು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು adjoint ಬರೆದು a ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು correct take it is a adjoint a matrix is a minus 6 minus 3 and 4 2 is adjoint of a and matrix a now matrix a is 2 3 minus 4 minus 6 now right again multiply here it is adjoint of a into matrix a is equals to right again first row first column right first row first column right confusion ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರು right first row first column minus into plus minus 6 2s are 12 minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12 first row second column now minus into plus minus 6 3s are 18 minus into minus plus 3 6 are 18 now the first row second column is over then go for what second row here what is the second row 4 2 now 4 3 okay 4 2 now second row first column second row second column now plus into plus 4 2s are 8 minus into plus into minus 2 4s are 8 plus into plus 4 3s are 12 plus into minus 2 6 are 12 no doubt again adjoint of a into a is equals to which matrix here 0 matrix right and the last one is that is a determinant of a into r they are given determinant of a into r take it is equation number 1 second part it is equation number 2 right third part ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ determinant of a into I correct determinant of a into I meaning we have to find out which one here determinant ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ correct take determinant of a is equals to now ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ determinant ತೆಗಿವಾ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರೈಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ 2 into minus 6 minus of minus 4 into what 3 now correct the determinant of a is equals to minus 12 minus into minus plus 12 right then determinant a is equals to what 0 now right ಇವಾಗ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ 0 into I meaning ಏನು identity 1 0 0 1 now correct now multiply 0 with all the elements again it becomes what which matrix here 0 matrix now take it is a result that is equation number 3 now right we know that from 1 2 and 1 2 and 3 a into adjoint of a is equals to adjoint of A into A is equals to what here? Determinant of A into I. Determinant of A into I. Okay. So we will 2 minutes wait madali. Okay. Suppose if they are given matrix A is equals to like that 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 7 8 now, right? ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ A into adjoint of A or maybe adjoint of A into A. ದೂರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಓಕೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು 3 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟ, ರೈಟ್? Suppose CET ದಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಂತ ಇಗೋರು or maybe MCQ A is equals to the given matrix, then what is the A into adjoint of A into ಬಂದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. First find out the cofactors, then after adjoint, then multiply as necessary ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ determinant of A into I. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? we have to find out the determinant for this question now. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು determinant ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಇದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 3 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ 3 ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅವಾಗ 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3 ಆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ MCQ ದಾಗ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ರೈಟ್? ಹಂಗ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಥಿಯರಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ನಾ right. Take up the question number 4. If the matrix A is equals to, again this one given, then verify that again A into adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A into A is equals to determinant of A into I. Right. Take up the matrix A now. Right. We have to find out adjoint. Adjoint ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? cofactors ಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Take this directly. Cofactors are ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Take this A11. Delete row, which column? First column, data. First column. Then elements are 0 minus 2, 0, 3. Data. 0 3s are 0, 0 into minus 2, 0 now. Data. First one get bandila. Right. Next A12 now. A12 plus or minus? A12 positive or negative? Negative. Delete first row. Second column. Then elements are 3 minus 2 1 3 now is equals to this one negative as it is into 3 3s are 9 minus plus into minus minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2 9 plus 2 11. Which 11 here? It is minus 11, right? Next take it is A13 now. A13 is positive or negative? Positive. Delete first row, third column, then elements are 3 0 1 0 is equals to here 3 zeros are 0 1 zeros are 0 0 minus 0 answer is 0 now. Next take it is A21 meaning A21 delete second row, first column, second row, first column, then elements are minus 1 2 0 3 now is equals to minus into plus minus. A21 is negative, correct? It is A21 is equals to what here? Negative. This negative as it is into minus into plus minus 1 3s are 3 2 0 into 2 0 now. Right? Minus 3 minus into minus it becomes what here? Plus 3. A21 is over. Go forward here. A22 meaning positive here. Right? Delete second row, second column. Then elements are 1 2 1 3 now. That is equals to 1 3s are 3 minus 1 2s are 2 3 minus 2 1 now, right? Next one, the next cofactor, that is A23 now. A23 delete which row, which column? Second row, third column. Data. Second row, third column. What is the second row, third column? Second row, third column. 1 minus 1 0 is equals to, right? A23 is positive or negative? That is negative here. Take it is negative. Data. Negative as it is. Okay, into now. 1 0s are 0. Plus into minus minus into minus plus 1 now. 0 plus 1, that is answer is what here? Minus 1. A23 is over. Go forward. Third row here. A31 is positive or negative? positive. Got up? Delete third row, first column. Third row, first column. Got up? Then elements are minus 1, 2. 0 minus 2 is equals to, right? A31 is already positive. Got up? Into now. Minus into minus plus 1 2 are 2 now. 2 minus 0 into 2, 0 only. 2 minus 0. 2 now. Em bandidu 2 1. Next up, take this A3 2 now. A3 to positive or negative? Negative. Delete which row, which column? Third row, second column. Third row, second column. Then elements are 1 2 3 minus 2 is equals to this one negative as it is. Plus into minus, minus 1 2 are 2. Plus into plus into minus, minus 3 2 are 6 now is equals to. Just the confusion alakobad. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. Illu back side minus ala. Yes, of this totally plus 8. That is the plus 8 now. Right. Next up, A33 is positive. Delete third row, third column, third row, third column. Then elements are 1 minus 1 3 0 is equals to, simplify it. 1 zeros are 0 minus plus into minus 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 into minus plus 3 ones are 3 0 plus 3 3 now. Right. Now the cofactors are completed. Take this adjoint now. See here. Adjoint of A is equals to, first take it is all the cofactors now. Right. A11 0, A12 minus 11, A13 0, A21 3 now. Okay. A22 1, A23 minus 1. Okay. A31 2, A32 8, A33 3 now. 3. Got up? ಇದು ಏನಬೇಕು ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ then adjoint of A is equals to right down here 0 minus 11 0 first column 3 1 minus 1 second column 2 8 3 third column clear okay next one now go for what here results now right. First result is A into adjoint of A now. Take this up. A into adjoint of A is equals to, what is A matrix? 1 minus 1 2 next up 3 0 minus 2 next up 1 0 3 right into, that is again adjoint here 0 3 2 next up minus 11 1 8 next up 0 minus 1 3 now 0 minus 1 3 got up. Next A into adjoint of A is equals to now right again then do it what first row first column first row second column first row third column got up. So careful आप column ಮಾಡ್ರಿ first row first column 0 1 into 0 0 minus into minus plus 1 11 are 11 2 into 0 0. Now go for which row, which column? First row, second column. 1 3s are 3 minus into plus minus 1 1s are 1 plus into minus minus 2 1s are 2. Next go for what here? First row, third column. First row, third column. Then 1 2s are 2 minus into plus minus 1 8s are 8 plus into plus plus right 2 3s are 6 right mugita take up next one is which row which column second row first column second row second column second row third column 3 zeros are 0 0 11s are 0 minus 2 into 0 0 clear. Next up second row second column 3 3s are 9 0 into 1 0 okay minus 2 minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2 1s are 2 now. Go for second row third column 3 2s are 6 0 into 8 0 into 8 0 right minus into minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 again right. Next third row first column third row second column third row third column 1 zeros are 0 0 into 11 0, 3 into 0, 0. Third row, second column, 1 3s are 3, 0 into 1, 0. Next plus into minus, minus 3 1s are 3 now, right? The third row, third column, 1 2s are 2, 3, 0 into 8, 0, 3 3s are, that is 9 now, is equals to, right? See here. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ 11 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 3 minus 3 0 ಇದು 6 plus 2 8 8 minus 8 0 right this one is 0 9 plus 2 11 6 minus 6 0 this one is again 0 right minus 3 plus 3 get cancel 0 9 plus 2 11 now okay clear ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು it is a into adjoint of a is equals to 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11 right same as it is take up the second part is what here the second part is adjoint of a into a now second part is adjoint of a into a take this equation number 1 now equation number 1 okay next the second part is adjoint of a into a right take up adjoint of a here illa adjoint of a illa right write down here adjoint of a into a now adjoint of matrix 0 3 2 right minus 11 1 8 next 0 minus 1 3 okay into a matrix now a matrix meaning consider question now 1 minus 1 2 next 3 0 minus 2 next 3 0 minus 2 now 2 that is minus 2 next 1 0 3 now 1 0 3 right now go forward here adjoint of a into a is equals to now again solve ಮಾಡಿ same answer ಬರ್ತವೆ so careful ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು 0 into 1 0 plus into plus plus 3 3s are 9 plus into plus plus 2 1s are 2 9 11 first row second column 0 into 1 0 3 zeros are 0 2 zeros are 0 next first row third column got 0 into 2 0 3 plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 plus into plus plus 2 3s are 6 now right same as it is second row first column minus into plus minus 11 ones are 11 plus into plus plus 1 3s are 3 plus into plus plus 1 8s are 8 right second row second column minus into minus plus 11 ones are 11 plus into plus okay negate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1 zeros are 0 8 zeros are 0 now next second row third column minus into plus minus 11 2s are 22 plus into minus minus 1 2s are 1 2s are 2 1 2s are 2 next plus into plus plus 8 3s are 24 now 8 3s are 24 third row first column third row second column third row third column now right third row first column 0 into 1 0 minus into plus minus 1 3s are 3 plus into plus plus 3 1s are 3 right next second row second column 0 into minus 1 that is 0 now minus into 0 0 now 3 into 0 0 now third row third column 2 into 0 0 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2 3 3s are what here that is 9 is equals to now again see here 9 plus 2 11 this one is 0 this minus 6 plus 6 get cancel it is also right ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು 11 0 11 now okay 8 okay 0 now right next 8 plus 3 11 11 minus 11 0 okay 2 0 ಆಯ್ತು 11 0 0 0 11 now take this equation number 2 now right the second part is over go for what your third part determinant of a into I but now take up what is the determinant here determinant of a is equals to okay take this up expanding along r1 then 1 into first row, first column. 0 minus 2, 0, 3 now. Next, A12 is a negative. Already this one is also negative. Minus into minus, plus now. Delete the first row, second column. Then elements are 3 minus 2, 1, 3 now. Okay. Delete third row, first row, third column. A13 element ಏನದ plus ಅದ ಘಟ. Take this plus 2 now into delete first row, third column. Then elements are 3, 0, 0, 3 now. 3, 0, 1, 0. Okay. 3, 0. It is 1, 0 now. Right. Then determinant of A is equals to, see here, 1 into 0 into 3, 0. 0 into minus 2, 0. Under 0 minus 0, 1. Plus 1 into 3, 3s are 9. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. 1, 2s are 2 now. Plus 2 into 3 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0 now. Right? Then determinant of A is equals to negate ಮಾಡಬಿಡೋದು. ಇದು 0 ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 0 ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. That is 1 into 9 plus 2, 11. 11 ones are 11 now. No doubt, determinant is 11. The third part ಏನದು? Third part is what here? The third part is the determinant of A is into determinant value is ಏನು ಬಂತಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಅದ. 11 into I meaning identity 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 now, right? Then determinant of A into I is equals to answer 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11 now. Take this equation number 3 now. So therefore from equation number 1 2 and 3, A into adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A into A is equals to, that is the determinant of A into I is verified now. Okay, right. Okay, take up question number 5. They are told find the inverse of the matrix. Again 6th one is also find the inverse of the matrix. Both the matrix are 2 rows, 2 columns. Right up. Take a solution. Okay, consider this one matrix as a 2 minus 2 first row, 4 3 what second row now. Okay, inverse formula na ಹೇಳಿನಲ್ಲ. A inverse is equals to what here? A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into, that is adjoint of A now. Adjoint of A. Okay, ನನಗೆ ಏನೇನು ನೀಡ್ ಅದ ಅದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಬೇಕೀಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ determinant. Kata take this determinant of A is equals to kata 2 into 3 minus 4 into minus 2 kata. Then determinant of A is equals to 2 3s are 6 minus, okay, minus 4 into minus 2, it is minus 8 kata. 6 minus into minus plus 8, 6 plus 8 11. ಏನು ಬಂತು determinant is what 11. ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ adjoint ಬೇಕು ಕಟ 14. Okay, that is 14 now, right? Find out the adjoint now. Take it is adjoint of A is equals to, adjoint ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಏನು, interchange the diagonal value, that is 3 2 now ಕಟ. Apply the negative sign here, minus into minus opposite ಬರ್ಬಿಡಿ plus 2, it is plus 4 meaning minus 4, right? Take it is a in inverse formula now. A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A value, that is 14 kata into adjoint matrix 3 2 minus 4 2 now kata. Now 1 by 14 is multiplying with these all the elements, meaning it becomes ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ 3 by 14 2 by 14 minus 4 by 14 and it is 2 by 14. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. Okay, take up next question number 6 here. Again, find the inverse of the matrix, that is take it is a matrix A is equals to minus 1 5 minus 3 2 now. Right up. Okay, find the inverse of the matrix. We know that already A inverse is nothing but what here, 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. First find out what is the determinant now. Determinant is equals to, okay, minus 1 into 2 minus of minus 3 into 5 kata. Then determinant of A is equals to minus 2 minus into minus, that is plus now. 3 5 are 15. 15 minus 2. Determinant ಏನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು 12 ಬಂತು kata. 13 now. 13. Okay, take this up. Adjoint now. Adjoint of A is equals to interchange the 1 1 and 2 2 elements. Kata. Minus 1 2 interchange. It becomes 2 minus 1. Apply the opposite sign here. Now it is plus 1, meaning take a minus 1. It is plus minus 3 becomes plus 3 now. Kata. Then A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant value 13 into adjoint matrix of 2 minus 5 3 minus 1 now. This is the what inverse for the question number 6. Okay, right. Right, take up question number 7. Find the inverse of the given matrix now. No doubt again they are given with how many rows, how many columns here? 3 rows, 3 columns. So plenty of the right. The formula is saying that is A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. We have to find out adjoint of A for the given question now. Right. Take this A is equals to, right, A is equals to 1 2 3 0 2 4, next 0 0 5 now. 0 0 5, right. Take the adjoint A11. The cofactors are here, right. Cofactors are, right. Take the A11 is positive or negative? Positive. Delete first row, first column. Then elements are 2 4 0 5 is equals to 2 5s are 10 minus 0 4s are 0, answer 10, right. A12 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete which row, which column? First row, second column. Then elements are 0 4 0 5 is equals to 0 5s are 0 0 4s are 0, right. Next take this A13 is positive or negative? Positive. Delete first row, third column. 0 2 0 0 is equals to ಈಗ ಏನು ಬಂತು 0 again 0 to 0 0 0 to 2 0, right. Next take this A21 is minus, delete second row first column. Then elements are 2 3 right, 2 3 0 5 is equals to minus as it is. 2 5s are 10 minus 3 zeros are 0. ಏನು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು each term here minus 10, right. Take it is A22 is what? Positive. Delete second row second column, then elements are 1 3 0 5 is equals to 1 5s are 5 minus 3 zeros are 0 is equals to what here? 5 now. A22 is over. Then go for what here? A23 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete second row third column, then elements are 1 2 0 0 is equals to, check ಮಾಡಿ 1 zeros are 0 0 2s are 0, answer is totally 0, right. Next take this A31 is positive. Delete third row first column, elements are 2 3 2 4 is equals to 2 4s are 8 minus 2 3s are 6, answer 6 8 minus 6 2 now, right. Next A32 is minus here, minus delete A32 third row second column, then elements 1 3 0 4 1 3 0 4 is equals to this minus as it is into now 1 4s are 4 minus 0 3s are 0, is 4 minus 0 4 back side another, that is minus 4 now. Okay, next one is that is A3 now. Delete third row third column elements are 0 okay 1 2 0 2 now is equals to 2 2s are 1 2s are 2 minus 0 2s are 0 is equals to what here? 2 minus 0 2 now, right. Take this adjoint of A is equals to, first write down all the cofactors now. 1 1 10 1 2 cofactor 0, 1 3 cofactor 0, 2 1 minus 10, 2 2 5, 2 3 0, 3 1 3 1 2, 3 2 minus 4, 3 3 2 now. Kata now take this transpose is equals to now illa munde baritu nodri adjoint of A is equals to now transpose of cofactors of the matrix. First row becomes first column 10 0 0, second row becomes second column minus 10 5 0, third row becomes third column 2 minus 4 2 now. Kata okay, formula ಏನದ, what is the formula? ina ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಾಗ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು. A inverse is nothing but 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant ಬೇಕು ಈಗ. Take its determinant of A is equals to solve ಮಾಡಿ. First row okay, first row first column that is positive now. A1 is positive. First row ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಳಿತೇನೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಾಗ 2 4 0 5 okay. Next A1 2 is that is minus 2 into delete first row second column 0 4 0 5, A1 3 element plus 3 into delete first row third column got 0 2 0 0 now 0 2 0 0. Then determinant of A is equals to right 1 into 2 5 10 minus that is 0 now okay, minus 2 into here 0 5 0 0 4 0 right. Next plus 3 into 0 0 0 0 2 0 now right. Then determinant of A is equals to this one 0, this one is also 0, neglect now. Then 1 into 10 becomes what here 10, that is determinant of A is equals to 10. We know that A inverse formula is 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A now right. illa munde baritu nodri is equals to 1 divided by 10 into determinant value is 10, then take this adjoint now. What is adjoint? 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4 and it is 0 0 2 now okay. Or maybe that is A inverse is equals to again simplify this one okay. What is the final answer? 10 by 10 1 that cancel kata ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 by 10 ಯಾವ ಅನ್ನೋದು minus 1, 2 by 10 2 1 2 5 ಏನದು 1 by 5 1 by 5 now 0 by 10 0, 5 by 10 5 1 5 2 sorry right that is answer is what here 1 by 2 minus 4 by 10 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 2 2 2 7 what is answer here minus 2 by 7, 0 by 10 2 by minus 2 by 5 cut up it is minus 2 by 5 0 by 10 0, 0 by 10 0, 2 by 10 1 2 1 2 5 that is 1 by 5. This is the what A inverse of answer now okay right. Right, take up that is question number 8 again. Find the inverse of the matrix that is 1 0 0 3 3 0 and 5 2 minus 1 now okay. Just once again here question करते हैं ना 1 0 0 3 3 0 5 2 minus 1 now okay. Take up first one is cofactors are now cofactors are right. Take this A11 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಂಥಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಓಕೆ. A11 is positive or negative? Positive but positive only right. Delete first row first column ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 1s are 3 minus 0 2 2 zeros are 0 is equals to ಏನು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು ಏನು ಬಂತು ಇದು -3 -0 -3 now right. Take it is A12 now. A12 is negative or positive? Negative. So negative that careful agirri negative ಬಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು right. A12 is negative. Delete first row second column first row second column first row second column that plus into minus minus 3 1s are 3 minus 5 zeros are 0 is equals to minus into minus plus 3 minus 0 that is 3 now. How 3 plus 3 right. Next A13 is positive or negative? Positive. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ first row third column these are the remaining elements here 2 3s are 6 minus 5 3s are 15. 6 minus 15 minus 9. Got up? Next 8 2 1 is negative now. Negative the bracket cover. 8 to 1 is negative. Second row first column. Second row first column. Data think mod. Second row first column. 0 into minus 1 0 minus. Okay, second row first column. 2 zeros are 0 now. Entire answer is 0. Right. Next 8 to 2 is positive now. Delete second row, second column. Then 1 into minus 1 minus 1 now. Okay. 5 into 0 0. Got that? Minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. Okay. Next 8 to 3. 8 to 3 is negative. Take bracket now. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. 1 0 5 2 now. 1 2 are 2 minus 5 0 are 0 now. 2 minus 0 2 now. Backside again 2 minus here. So therefore answer is minus 2. Right. Next A 3 1. A 3 1 is a positive. Right. Delete third row. First column 0 0 3 0 0 into 0 0. Data minus 3 zeros are 0. Entire answer is 0. Next up. A32 is a negative. Take bracket here. Third row, second column. 1 zeros are 0 minus 3 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 0. A32 is a A33 now. A33 is positive. Delete up. Third row, third column. 1 0 to 3 3 now. 1 3 is 3 minus 3 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 3 now. Got up. Take it is a adjoint of A is equals to. Now write down all the cofactors now. A11 minus 3, A12 3, A13 minus 9, A21 0, A22 minus 1, A23 minus 2 now. A31 0, A32 0, A33 3 now. Okay, now take it is a transpose. Idu main right? Then adjoint of A is equals to transfer now minus 3 3 minus 9 first column and 0 minus 1 minus 2 second column, then 0 0 3 are third column. Adjoint is over now. Right. What is the formula? Formula is what? A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A. Find out its determinant now. Determinant of A is equals to, right? Take a for expanding along R1 ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಾವು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಹೇಳೀನಿ. Maximum rows, maximum zeros in the rows or maybe columns. Choose that row or maybe a column ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜೀರೋ ಅದ? R1 ಗೆ ಅದ. ಒಂದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಇರೋ. Take up 1 into delete first column. 3 0 2 minus 1. Right. A12 element is 0. A13 element is 0. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದ 0 ನೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Right. Then determinant of A is equals to 1 as it is ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. plus into minus minus 3 1 are ಯಾವ 3 ಅದು minus 3 minus 2 zeros are 0. determinant value 1 into minus 3 minus 3. determinant is minus 3 now. Okay. Take up determinant value is that is minus 3. Right. We know that formula A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A now. That 1 divided by determinant value is 3 minus 3 into take this adjoint now. Adjoint minus 3 0 0 3 minus 1 0 next minus 9 minus 2 that is 3 now. Right. Take up that is A inverse is equals to, right, now multiply here minus 3 by minus 3 1. Right. Okay. 0 by minus 3 0. 0 by minus 3 0. Right. 3 by minus 3 1. Which one ado? Minus 1. Minus 1 by minus 3 1 by plus 1 by 3. Okay. That is 0 by minus 3. That is 0 by minus 3 0 now. Correct. Next minus 9 by minus 3 3 is 3 plus 3 now. Minus get cancel out. Right. Minus idanante ಏನಂತ minus 2 divided by minus 3 minus get cancel answer 2 by 3 now. Next this one is 3 by 3 get cancel answer minus 1 now. Minus this is what here A inverse answer now. Okay. Right or no? Right. Check matter. It is A answer is 100 minus 1 1 by 3 3 2 by 3 and minus 1. Right. Exercise 4.4 up to 8 problems are completed. Thank you. Okay. Right.